In this method, I used a half-inch clear hose I purchased at the local big box store and cut about a 2.5 foot length and inserted it into a vacuum cleaner 5 gallon, and there it is attached there. And I'm going to go ahead and try to get some of this out. The first method that I did use was a leaf blower, and I put a wet towel in the front of the refrigerator, and from the back I used the leaf blower to get most of the dust and debris out. The inner folds of the coil are extremely difficult to get to, as you probably know, so this was my last option to get the remaining bits and pieces out. So if you have a dog, other pets such as a bobcat, kangaroo, cougar, maybe even a bear, you're going to probably have to get in here and do this more often. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the vacuuming. Okay, so I guess you got the idea here. And to borrow a quote from Paul Harrell. Until then, don't try this at home, and I'm what you call a professional. Okay, and I could care less if you subscribe. Goodbye.